Booker T compares Daniel Bryan and CM Punk joining AEW with the Outsiders joining WCW. Two times WWE Hall of Famer Booker T, who is also a former 5 times WCW World Heavyweight Champion, recently compared Daniel Bryan and CM Punk joining the All Elite Wrestling with Scott Hall and Kevin Nash joining WCW after leaving WWE in 1996. As it is no longer a secret, Daniel Bryan and CM Punk have decided to join AEW, which directly competes with WWE. It is extremely shocking as both were superstars in the WWE, and it is said that they have been trying to get CM Punk back since the day he left them for the UFC. There was a time when it felt like Punk's WWE return is really imminent, but that did not happen. In spite, he decided to join AEW. And Daniel Bryan, featured on the main event of WrestleMania 37, left WWE after 1 month of WrestleMania. This is really shocking that Bryan had decided to leave WWE for AEW. This incident is being considered with the jump of Scott Hall and Kevin Nash to WCW. They were two of the hot happening wrestlers of WWE back in the 90s, but they decided to join WCW in 1996, which was the arch rival of WWE, and they went on to become the biggest stars of WCW back in the time. Two times WWE Hall of Famer Booker T, who is also a former 5 times WCW World Heavyweight Champion, recently spoke on his Hall of Fame podcast where he compared Daniel Bryan and CM Punk joining the All Elite Wrestling brand with Scott Hall and Kevin Nash joining WCW after leaving WWE. Booker T said, "The thing is, I don't recall CM Punk jumping ship. I'm not going to say that at all. But these two names, as big as they are, does it have the same feel like it's cool and one team just pulled something off? Hell yeah. Yeah, it feels like that because of course Daniel Bryan, he created something. The Yes movement. That right there hasn't been a movement created like that in WWE in many years where the fans participated like that. It had been many years since that happened. Daniel Bryan did that himself. That was organic from him. For him to do that in this era, not being the biggest guy in the locker room, but still can go out there and hold his own, a guy that worked much bigger than he actually is. I've always said that boy, Daniel Bryan is special. To have someone like him on your team is awesome. To be able to make a comeback from having a broken neck and still be able to go out there and do it the way he does, hey man, big pickup for the All Elite Wrestling brand. That was all for today. For more exciting news regarding your favorite wrestling shows, make sure to subscribe to the All About Wrestling channel. See you next time.